Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a dealer sells his goods at 4% loss and uses 28 grams instead of 32 grams. What is the profit percent? Friends, 32 grams is equal to 3200 centigrams and 28 grams is equal to 2800 centigrams. Friends, selling at 4% loss means selling 3200 rupees worth goods for rupees 3072. 3200 4% loss, 128 loss, 3072. So he is selling at 4% loss means he has to sell 3200 worth goods for rupees 3072. But he uses a false weight. That means in place of 32 grams he is using 28 grams. That means he is giving 2800 centigrams for rupees 3072. So this is his cost price, this is the sold price, and the profit is 272 profit. Now profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price 2800 into 100 friends. So 4 sevens, 4 sixes, 24 8s. 68 by 7 means 7 nines 63. 9 5 by 7% friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.